So today I'm going to be teaching you how to sign some basic family signs, okay? So the first word we're going to start with is family. Take two F's with each finger, put them together, family, bring them around, face forward, come around, family, okay? Family. All right, so with signs, with male and female signs, all boys or men signs are going to be up here. Think about it like a hat. And then all female signs are going to be here, like girl. Okay, think about like smiles, makeup, lipstick. Okay, so boy and girl. Boy, girl. Okay, you can just do boy, girl. Boy, girl. Okay, so just keep that in mind as we go through the next few signs. All right, so father, mother, father and mother. So your father and mother are your parents. You can do like this. I've seen this before, like parents, but I really do this one most of the time with a P. So make a P, and with your middle finger, head to chin, parents. I've also seen it done the same way with the P, touching the middle finger more on the side, okay? But I tend to do this. So father, mother, parents, boy, girl, family. All right, so the last two signs that we're going to learn are brother and sister. So brother is going to be two different movements. So boy, and then bring it down like this. Brother. And then sister, remember girl? So we're going to do girl and then bring it down. Brother, sister. Okay? I think that's all I wanted to share with you today. So we got family, mother, father, parents, brother, sister, boy, and girl. Oh, and I wanted to share with you as a bonus, so like stepmom. So when you do stepmom, stepdad, I've typically seen it like this, where you make like an L right here on your chin, like step, and just move your index finger like this. So stepmom, stepdad. Okay, so you can sign them like that. All right, so thank you for stopping by again, and I'll see you later, guys.